Okay, hi students. Today we're going to be talking about enhancing your writing with adjective clauses. Because you had a midterm in class, we didn't have time to work on a new grammar topic. So what we're going to do in this video is review a topic that I think you're already somewhat familiar with, and that is adjective clauses. I also appreciate your patience in advance because just like you're learning grammar, I'm learning to teach online and make videos. So here's to learning. Here we go. So please look at this picture and pause the video. Get yourself a pen or a pencil and some paper and write 3 short, simple sentences. Okay, now that you've got those sentences, we're going to move on. So here are my simple sentences. The 2 women are playing soccer. The women are fighting for control of the ball. And the ladies are competitive soccer players. If these sentences were to appear in a paragraph together, it would read, the 2 women are playing soccer, the women are fighting for control of the ball, the ladies are competitive soccer players. It's kind of choppy. We're just subject, verb, subject, verb, subject, verb. And as we've talked about before, it's more interesting when your writing is varied. If you have some complex sentences, some compound sentences, or some compound complex sentences, or just some way to kind of vary the structure. So I have done this, and my proposed change is to combine the sentences with, the 2 women are playing soccer and fighting for control of the ball. They are competitive players. It's not the best combination, but it works. Here's another option. The 2 women who are playing soccer are fighting for control of the ball. They are competitive players. So this option is an adjective clause or a relative clause. And an adjective clause or relative clause involves who or that, in this case, and describes the women. It functions like an adjective, so to describe a noun. So just like we could say the women are athletic, the athletic women, we have who are playing or that are playing, and that describes the women here. Okay, here's another example. The ball that is being used meets FIFA regulations. The ball which is being used meets FIFA regulations. That is being used describes the ball, or which is being used describes the ball. Just like the white and black ball is an adjective that describes the ball. That is being used is an adjective clause that describes the ball. Okay, so I have a question for you, which I think you probably already know the answer for. When do we use who? When do we use that? And when do we use which with adjective clauses? And I've got 2 examples here for you to look at. Okay, so we use who and that for people, and we use that and which for things. We can't mix and match. So we can use that for either people or for things, but we can't use who for things and we can't use which for people. And I have some exercises here online on Canvas for you to get a little practice with adjective clauses, and then we're going to do more practice in class. All of this is leading up to work on more advanced adjective clauses with whom and whose, and then work on noun clauses, and then some more work on adverbial clauses. The purpose of all of this is that I have noticed in your writing that you are mixing and matching adjective clauses with noun clauses, and the structures, we can't mix and match them. And so it's causing you to have some grammar errors that cause a lot of confusion for your readers. And we're going to get to that and make you much stronger writers in the process. So thank you for your patience in my new video. Here we go. I have to end the video. How do I end the video?